Welcome back to Overheat, Bugatti Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic, futuristic, and iconic Bugatti, the exterior design. The Bugatti horseshoe grille will be radically enlarged at the front to become a prominent and instantly identifiable element. Advanced adaptive matrix LED technology will be used in the futuristic headlights. Innovative access door to create a striking impression and special usefulness. The main entry door is probably going to use an inventive sliding or gullwing mechanism instead of a conventional hinged door. Large aerodynamic wheels, specifically engineered wheels, perhaps composed of carbon fiber or a lightweight alloy. Interior, cutting-edge technology and limitless luxury. Flexible and modular layout. A customizable modular layout will be used in the interior design. Ultra-premium materials, the best hand-stitched Nappa leather, Alcantara, exotic woods, and carbon fiber will be used to cover every surface. Elegant gourmet kitchen. The kitchen will have top-of-the-line appliances including built-in espresso coffee makers, sub-zero refrigerators and freezers, convection ovens and microwaves, and induction cooktops. Luxurious sleeping space. A cozy king-size mattress will be in the master bedroom. Adaptive lighting. The hue and intensity of the LED lighting system will be automatically changed. Performance and drivetrain. Amazing efficiency and power. Advanced hybrid powertrain in light of current automotive trends. A highly sophisticated plug-in hybrid powertrain is probably going to power the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a modified Bugatti W16 quad-turbo engine, a powerful electric motor, and a sizable battery pack will probably be used in this all-wheel drive AWD technology. This technology, which offers better traction and stability in a range of road conditions, will come standard. Advanced adaptive suspension. The motorhome's height may be adjusted thanks to adaptive air suspension, which offers a very comfortable ride. A 360-degree camera, automated emergency braking.